Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see one of a very useful and fun gift that you can give it to your kids. Even though kids are like nowadays more involved in smartphone, a useful gift like this will be very useful for them. Especially this will bring their creativity out. So the gift is nothing but a normal Lego set. The actual price of the gift is actually 460 rupees, but I bought only for 250 rupees. So do buy from the link in the description below. The box comes with a manual, and the manual shows some of the examples which you can build using this Lego set. This also comes with a fan, two human beings, and also a rotating type of Lego set with which you can rotate in these fan and other Legos. So these are some of the samples they have shown. Obviously you can't make that water, but only the building and the boat, only those things you can make of it. So these are the set of pieces. So make sure once you get this product you count all these pieces, so you don't have to got cheated or anything like that. Okay, the box came very well packed for me. So as you guys can see, even inside they have protected the Lego set with the polythene covers. Let's remove it. Okay, so this is the door, I think, and this is the longer Lego set. So I love Lego a lot. During my childhood, one of the, I think, like prestigious gift which I got from my father is this Lego set. With this I have built a lot of things. Even from the manual I built the exact house which they had given. That was actually fun, and even my brothers also helped building that. That was actually cool. But in this Lego set they had given two human beings, which is a really good one. And even you can fix the human being directly into the Lego piece or the ground. And the ground piece is only this one. I think there is also another one is there. Let us check later. Okay, so let's try to fix this man into a sample piece. This is the only issue which I faced in this Lego set. It's a little bit difficult to fix the man in a standing position, but in a sitting position it's very strong, so you don't have to worry about it. Even the plastic quality is also really good, so you guys don't have to worry about that as well. Okay, so let's try to build something where a man is sitting. What shall I build? Shall I build a race car or something like that? Okay, let's quickly fast forward this. Okay guys, so finally I have done it. So I call it the lightning speed car flight or bike, whatever you wanted to call it. Just for with my very what can I say, very lame imagination I built this. I hope you guys like it. The man standing actually it was a little bit difficult to fit it, but it actually got fit really strong once I built it. Okay, so this is really nice. You don't have to build this in the green board, you can also build it on its own, so you don't have to worry about that. So once you are building on its own, well, you have to keep the basement a little bit of strong, so not like a very light here. Alright, okay guys, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, just leave a thumbs up, and if you guys have any clarifications, let me know in the comments below. I'm glad to answer all of your queries. And if you are interested to buy this gift for your kids, do check the link in the description below, where I have given this seller and also the other best sellers with best quality and also very cheap price. So do check that out, and I hope you guys Love this video and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.